Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will see how to design a engine oil pan by using the Solidworks tools. So friends, let's see how to do it in Solidworks. I hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start. Okay, let's start. At first select top plane, go for sketch, make it normal, and from here choose center rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Okay, now select dimension and keep the length of this line 30.20 millimeter and keep this length 508. Okay, now from feature choose extruded boss and in direction 1 extrude it up to 25.4 millimeter and in direction 2 101.6 millimeter and the draft angle 15 inward. Okay, now choose right plane, make it normal and go for sketch. Now select here a center point arc from the midpoint will be the center point and draw here an arc. Okay, now select line and from here draw a inclined line. Again this side also draw one inclined line. Now choose smart dimension and keep the radius 127 millimeter and the angle of this line will be 20 and the height of this 2 point will be 44.55 millimeter and this line also will be 20-degree angle. Okay, and now select these 2 points and make them horizontal. Okay, now from feature choose extruded cut and from here choose through all both. Okay, okay, now choose this plane, go for sketch, make it normal. Now again select center point arc and from the midpoint draw a half circle here. Now choose smart dimension and keep the distance between two in point 127 millimeter. Okay, now from feature choose extruded boss and base, click here no. Now see here it's taking thin feature and keep the length 12.7 millimeter outside and we want inside, so here reverse the direction. Okay, now choose right plane, go for mirror and from here features to mirror select this extruded thin. Okay, now see, now select fillet and fillet them up to 25.4 millimeter. Okay, now select the items, choose these corner edges. Okay, choose one by one. The four corner. Okay, okay, now again select fillet, keep here 12.7 millimeter. Now select the items, select this edge and this. Okay, okay, now select this face, go for sketch, make it normal and from here choose vertex point and draw two vertex point here. Okay, Now choose smart dimension and keep the distance here 7.8 millimeter. Now this length will be 101.6 millimeter, and from here to this vertex will be 50.33 millimeter, and this distance will be 10.8 millimeter. Okay, now from here select center line, and from the origin point draw two center line, one is vertical, another one is horizontal. Now select linear sketch pattern, keep here distance 101.6 millimeter. We want 4 number of patterns. Now here entities to mirror, select this vertex, this is going outside, so reverse the direction. Now it's okay. Now select mirror entities, clear it. From here choose this vertex and mirror about this center line. Okay, now again select mirror entities and entities to mirror. From here select all this vertex and clear this line because we don't want to mirror this center line, and mirror about, select this horizontal center line. Okay, now see, now go for sketch out. Now again select this face, go for reference geometry, select plane. Now we want to create a plane according to the top face. It will be flip offset because we want downward, and the length will be 127 millimeter. Okay, now choose hole wizard. From here this hole type, standard NC inch, hex screw, size 5 by 16, fit normal, and make sure that this show custom sizing is like this way. Now go for positioning, make it normal at first and keep the hole at the vertex point. Okay, now see, our hole wizard hole is ready here. Now at first hide this sketch, now hide this plane because now we don't need the plane again. Okay, now from here choose draft, and draft angle will be 5 degree, and neutral plane, select this face as a neutral plane, and phases to draft, select all of these phases one by one. Okay, all of them, select OK. Now select fillet and fillet them 12.70 millimeter. Now select the items, this is from here between right feature and left feature 15 edges. Okay, now see, okay, now select this face, go for shell and shell it 12.7 millimeter. Now choose fillet again, here keep the 3.65 millimeter fillet radius. Now item to fillet, select this as this and this also, actually these three phases. Okay, Now again choose fillet and item to fillet. From here choose the upper edges. Now select it. Okay, it's not taking the 3.65 millimeter, so keep it 3 here. Okay, now see. Now again choose fillet and now keep it 3.65 millimeter. Now item to select these edges. From here choose internal to feature 43 edges. Okay, now see the all of 43 edges are selected here. Okay, now select this face, make it normal and go for sketch again. Select circle and from the midpoint to this edge draw a circle. Now from feature choose extruded cut and keep the condition through all. Okay, see, this is our oil pan. So friends, I hope you like my video. So friends, please subscribe my channel to get more videos about SolidWorks design and projects. And don't forget to hit like, comment and share. So friends, thank you for watching my video.